0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you want to just come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button so you can be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Well, hey YouTube family, it's Kaysa from Totally Designs, and I want to show you what I've been working on in the background. I had a custom order. I had one of my clients that asked me to make some bracelets for her sister and I think her cousin, and she wanted a custom made bracelet. She gave me the colors and all of that. So I just want to show you what I made. She asked for a spiral bracelet, and she asked for the initials, and then she asked for a scripture. Now, I wind up getting these off of Amazon. I just want to show you that. So that is the letter K. She wanted that one. And then I put that scripture, I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. Beautiful spiral bracelet. This is what she liked. And so it was customized. So let me just lift it up a little bit so that you can see it. Yeah, I love that bracelet. So this is a 4-tier bracelet. Now, the other one that I made was this clear one. She also wanted me to make a clear one. This clear one, y'all, I like this clear one. So again, she wanted a scripture for the clear one as well. And she also wanted the letter T for this particular one. And I'm going to turn around just a minute so you can see it. So as you can see, it has the letter T here. It is a 4-tier bracelet. Love this one. I also did a little bit of charms. I made charms out of the clear beads as well and added that on there just to give it a little bit of embellishment. And then finally I added that scripture on here that she liked. And so that is my custom made bracelets. Now guys, I do customized jewelry. That's a part of my my niche, that I make you know, customize things for people. I don't know if you guys do that, but certainly you can expand your clientele when you have a specialty inside of your business. So it's really I think really vital that you have like something that allows you to stand out from other makers, right? Obviously this is for me. So I've been doing customized jewelry for a very, very long time. And the customers just trust me to come up with a design. They tell me what they want, and I just come up with a design. Technically, that's exactly what I do. I just come up with something, and I preview it to them first, and then I let them decide if they want it or not. So basically I do prototypes and show them, hey, is this something along the lines of what you want and everything like that. So guys, it is quite okay for you to customize your jewelry if that's what you want. If that's not, you know, what you do, don't do it. But for me, it really works out very, very well. Now, while I have you here, I want to show you a couple more pieces of jewelry that I did make. Okay, now this one, guys, I absolutely love this piece right here. I love this. It is going to have a set. I just love the way that pattern looks. Man, that pattern is off the chain. Okay, so basically I just added in that leopard, the animal print, whatever you want to call it, and then I embellished it with the gold in between, have a little bit of hematite in between that, and then I have that little mustard colored bead right there. Now this one is so basic. I just took this out of the beads that I had left over, so we can call this bead soup. This is really, really pretty. It's just simple. It's not, you know, nothing extraordinary as far as, you know, something that I'm not going to say it's not a statement piece. Obviously, it'll make a statement to somebody, but it's really, really pretty, and I thought it was really beautiful. Now, I want to show you what I did with these beads right here. Now, these are the little pearl beads that I always complain about not using, y'all. These are about, I think these are either 2 or 3 millimeter. And these are small, but I made this one. This is cute. I think I really like this one. I may keep it for myself. I don't know. Who knows? But I like that. Isn't that just really cute? It's just really dainty and really cute. I'm trying to have some more dainty items as well, because you guys know that I love to do that chunky jewelry, honey. Anything that just stands out and do what it do. Yes, yes, yes. I love to do it. Now, I also made these and I added the butterflies to this one. This is very, very simple. Just took the beads. Those are the Heishi beads that are in between. I just did a different type of project. Just put Heishi beads in between these, added those beautiful butterflies on there, and there we go. All right, I have a couple more that I want to show you. And I also have this one. This is basically just plain. Just put a little bit of rose gold spacers in between here and just made it a simple bracelet. And this is like my budget friendly beads right here. They came in a package. Now, I also made that, y'all. I was just fooling around. And I was like, look, I need to use up this color. I need to use up these beads. And so let's go. And so I just made this. Thought it was quite nice. Now, I also made this one. I think this one is like one of my faves too, because it does have that oil spill and it has the blue and the grays in it, the periwinkle color in it. And I think it's really, really nice. So that is that. Now, I also want to show you this one right here. Now, guys, this is like one of my favorites too. I really love this color. And again, I'm not really red or cranberry or nothing like that, but I do love how the cranberry what's the word I want to use? It really cross-pollinates with this oil spill right here, which I really, really love. I think this is really, really cute. And this one, y'all, now what I did with this one, now if you guys are not familiar with Miss Darlene Knight Jewelry by BDK, you need to be familiar with her, because these beads right here are the ones that I purchased from her, the ones I'm pointing out, and I just combined them with some other beads that I had laying around, and it came out really, really nice. And then I just added a little bit of embellishment with a charm on there. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and this is how it looks on your arm. I think it's gorgeous. Somebody will buy this. Somebody will love this. It's very unique, and it just stands out. I love that, and you can wear it with any other bracelet that you want. Well, guys, that is the end of the video. I want to say thank you so much to my returning subscribers, and thank you for my brand new subscribers. Thank you for stopping by my channel and finding that there was something that you wanted to stop here and watch. And again, I cannot do or grow my YouTube channel without you, and I thank you so much. So with that being said, until the next video, happy beading.